Every Sunday we wake up, it's about 8:30 in the morning, and we walk up here to Ciclovía with my dad, the baby, my brother, my mom. You ready? You want to get him? Sometimes friends or other family members come. It's something that we do every single week. The cool thing is that they shut down this big road here called Avenida Poblado every Sunday, and people, as you can see, there's thousands of people. It's still early, but later on you're gonna see thousands of people out here doing exercise, walking their dog, hanging out with the family, and it's become part of our weekly routine. Regardless of what we did during the week, how chaotic life can be at times, this is something I always look forward to. Hey, Lou. Hey, Lou. Tell us your name and where you're from.
My name's Adam. I'm half Irish, half Danish.
Sure, my name is Harlow. I'm from the States, but I live in Costa Rica, and I've been here for 12 years.
Well, I'm Lionel. I'm from Portugal.
What keeps you coming back to Medellin, or what keeps you here?
Look around. I mean, this is amazing. The weather, the people, the fitness. Everyone is just like super fit and into health, and my community, the friends.
Every single time I've left, 3 times I've thought I wouldn't be back. And I come back within 3 or 4 months every single time. The reasons change. Like the first time I was here, I was partying and I was enjoying, going out, meeting women. Now I like to keep fit. I like to keep healthy. The weather is the easy answer, obviously, and it's a good place. There's a lot going on.
It needs to be Medellin. Well, I have my tech company in the US, but also now I'm launching this brand, this Mamacita brand. So yeah, that's one of the things I do here now.
What would you advise someone that wants to do what you have done, like move to Medellin to live here, work online, or do business?
Well, just follow your guts, I guess. Try and error, because you never know the results until you keep doing them, until you keep following your heart and following your guts.
I would say don't compare it to where you're coming from. A lot of people try to compare, especially on like the Facebook, those meetup or those Medellin groups. They're always comparing it to where they're from. It's like, no, this is Medellin. It has the pros and cons, and just enjoy what it has to offer. And if you don't like what you don't like, then just don't deal with it.
So I get this question a lot on social media, on my comments in my videos. People that have never been to Colombia, never been to my city, Medellin, they ask, why would anyone ever live here? Because they think about the past. They think about Pablo Escobar, they think about the narcos, they think about all of the news that you see about the paramilitaries, the guerrillas out in the countryside, in the jungle, and they see the negative stuff, and I get it, right? Like I watch the news too, and I only see the negative stuff come out of the United States, and I wonder why anybody would ever live out there and risk their life, from mass shootings, having your kids do mass shooter drills, etc. But anybody that's ever lived here, they know that that's not the reality. Just like anybody that's lived in the United States, that's not the reality. It's not something that you fear every single day. In a major city like this one, the biggest draw, as you can see, is the weather. For some people, it's work, like our Argentinian friend. For some people, it's the lifestyle. For some people, it's just the people themselves. But for me, it's kind of a combination of all of it. And that's the thing, it's something that you really can't put your finger on. And I think it's more of like the energy of the city and the energy of the people, the vibe really that you get out here that's inexplicable. You can't really describe it, and you won't know it until you get down here. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Medellin, what that vibe feels like for you.
Sir, how you doing?
Good, how are you, man? Good. Can I interview you for
Sure, yeah.
just a couple of questions? Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Yeah, my name is Esteban and I'm from Argentina.
Me llamo Caroline y soy de acá de Medellín.
Yo soy venezolana.
De Bélgica, y hace 5 años tenemos nuestro puesto de café. Es un café especial de jardín Antioquia. Y a veces tenemos repostería francesa.
So what do you do here in Medellin?
Well, I teach English and Spanish, and also I cook for a living. Different type of empanadas, and also I have choripanes. That is the typical food from the stadium, from the soccer stadiums in Argentina.
¿Qué es lo que te gusta más de Medellín?
Hay muchos árboles, muchos parques, una ciudad tan agradable.
Oof. Well, people first, then the weather. It's amazing, 360 days per year, so I I love it. I really love it.
Personalmente, el haber conocido el clima de Medellín me enamoró. Cuando vine de turista, yo dije, wow, si tengo la oportunidad de venir a Colombia, me quedo acá en Medellín. Ya tengo 5 años viviendo acá.
Wow, siento que la energía de la ciudad es única e incomparable. O sea, siento que la energía implica a las personas, la calidad de los espacios, la calidad de todo.
Medellín, hay mucha oportunidad de trabajo, de negocio.
Por supuesto, o sea, actualmente en la última década Medellín ha generado un incremento, un crecimiento a nivel de tecnología, de salud, de innovación. De hecho, actualmente a Medellín le dicen que es la capital de la tecnología.
As an entrepreneur, do you think there's opportunity here in the city to grow and to make money and to do business?
Absolutely, no doubt. Yeah.
Can you tell us the name of your business and where you're located?
In Instagram is El Tucu Esteban, where we are located here in the Ciclovía, front of Panamericana. So it's a busy place to find really good food from Argentina.
Se llama Latitud 4.5.
Ok, se encuentra acá en Ciclovía para que vengan a visitar y tomen un buen café. So as you can see, this city is not perfect. It does have its pros and its cons, but a lot of people have the pros override the cons. And the city is a big city. There's 2.4 million people in the city and 4 million plus in the vicinity, and they're working hard to make it better every single year. So if you're watching this and you're planning a move to Medellin, or maybe just visit, there's a link in the description if you want to do a consultation call. And if you are moving for sure, there's a link to the MedellinMasterclass.com. Me and my team will help you step by step with your entire move. Let me know in the comments, what'd you guys think of this video? You like Ciclovía? Have you been to Medellin? Are you planning to come to Medellin? When are you coming? I'll see you guys in the next video.